I usually wonder what are the key changes required in our education system. Definitely, whatever is continuing till now has not been sufficient enough to give opportunities for growth, bring out creativity in the youth. And I'm really sure that our youth has huge potential. Definitely, there has to be some tweaking done in our education system which will bring out the best out of these young minds. Let's not just push them towards winning and gaining. Let's give them a practical life. Let's make them learn the value of failures. So, with all these thoughts, we approached renowned career counselor Beenal Soni to have her ideas. Beenal is a practicing career counselor in the name of her company EduCompass. She is a master career coach trained by myaglakadam.com. She is passionate about nurturing young minds, helping people achieve their full potential. Beenal's inherent ability to do that, accompanied with high degree of passion, has made her a successful career counselor. Beenal, what are your views? What are the key changes required in our current education system?
As Ajit sir has aptly mentioned, the great need of critical thinking, problem solving, and analytical reasoning. Whenever we learn a concept, it is also important to know about its implementation in a practical way. For example, if we learn about sequencing in programming, it is important to know that how and where we can use sequencing in our daily life. For example, if we are learning to sequence, we can associate it with brushing our teeth. Like brushing our teeth is a complete and a great example of sequencing. You pick up a toothbrush, you wash it, and then you apply toothpaste, and then you clean your teeth with it. There cannot be anything changed here. The sequence has to be followed. So if we teach children about how things we can associate it with our regular life, I feel they can really learn better. The Indian education system always used to be very rich and critical thinking approach. The epic gurus always elicited critical thinking. They prepared them for the outside world by teaching them how to think and implement their learnings. After the changes made by the British in our education system, mostly followers were manufactured. We are taught to think within the box. Also, I believe the education system should be more freedom oriented, like allow the child to open doors to new possibilities, allow the child to explore, learn through different ways, experience the teaching. We need to imbibe in them that failures are a must. If you win a rat race, by the end of the day, you are still a rat. It's important to teach them how to love what they do and do it with full passion. You don't need to be a know-it-all all the time. I believe it's extraordinary to be ordinary.